Turn your coffee shop into a work of art. A coffee shop is more than just a place to brew rich espresso or where warm golden lights shine upon rustic wooden tables. It is a space, a story, an artistic experience, where every tile beneath your feet holds a soul, and every corner carries a unique imprint. And Viet Tiles encaustic cement tiles are the architectural language that bridges the past and present, breathing nostalgia into space while sparking creativity. Each encaustic tile is a handcrafted masterpiece, with no two tiles ever being identical. They are not mass-produced by machines but created with patience, precision, and the skilled hands of artisans. Whether you admire the elegance of Eastern tradition, the minimalism of modern design, or the free-spirited Mediterranean style, encaustic tiles will elevate your coffee shop, transforming it into a symphony of colors, patterns, and architectural artistry. Let encaustic tiles tell your story, a story that stands apart. Message us now for consultation and the best pricing.